Hello, friends. How are you all? On a quiet morning, a young man burdened by thoughts climbs a peaceful mountain, searching for answers. At the peak, he sees a monk beneath a sacred tree, radiating peace. Monk, you seem to carry a storm inside you. The man sat down, hoping for a way out of his restless mind. Man, how can I make every day feel meaningful? The monk opened his eyes and spoke softly. Monk, start your day with silence. Just 1 minute can change everything. The man remembered his rushed mornings filled with noise and pressure. The monk continued, his words warm like morning sun. Monk, before asking for more, thank life for what you already have. The man thought of his family, food, shelter, things he had overlooked. The monk gave his final advice, pointing at the stream nearby. Monk, live like a river. Don't hold, just flow. The man stood up, lighter and wiser. Man, thank you. I feel like I'm seeing clearly for the first time. He walked down the same path, but this time, the world felt bright, alive, and full of meaning. If you like this story, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.